Welcome, this is Carrie Schell from On Point Quilter. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a fabric collection from the Do You EQ website and transfer it to Electric Quilt 8. I'm going to start on the doyoueq.com site. This is where Electric Quilt includes free projects for downloading, free fabric for downloading, and also some instructions. So we're going to start by selecting the fabric of the month. I can either select fabric of the month here, or under download, the first item is fabrics of the month. The free collection for January 2021 is Cocoa Chic by Reed Johnson. Reed Johnson is a Techno-Quilter member, and so we are super stoked to be able to share his first fabric collection. If you would like to download this collection for using in Electric Quilt 8, what you can do is, first of all, you can see this first icon, and if I hover over it, I have a choice between selecting the Windows installer or the Apple installer. So if you're on a Mac, you're going to want to do the Apple installer. If you're on Windows, you're going to want to select the Window installer. So I'm going to select the Window installer. My PC is set up to put the application under Downloads. So I will select Save. You can locate the fabric collection under Downloads, or if there's a link at the bottom of your screen, you can double click on that. And it will take me through the install wizard. And so under Fabrics of the Month, I'm going to select Next, and then I'm going to select Finish. Now I'm going to go ahead and open Electric Quilt 8. And I am going to select New Project. I'm going to label this Cocoa Chic, since I want to feature this particular fabric collection, and I will select OK. View the project sketchbook and go to the Fabrics tab. And since I want to use a different collection, I want to clear out all of the existing fabrics. To do that, all I need to do is select Clear and then select OK and close. On the home screen, then select Search Fabric Swatches. That's going to take you to Fabric Libraries, and if you scroll down, you can see that there are collections for anything that you've downloaded. So I'm going to select the 2021 Fabric of the Month. Once I click on that, there's a plus next to it. Click on the plus. Then I can click on the plus next to 01 QT Fabrics, Cocoa Chic, and then I will select the collection and do a Select All Fabrics, Add to Sketchbook, and Close. Now if you view the project sketchbook and you go to Fabrics, you can see the 17 fabrics from this collection. The dots under the fabric allow you to set the size of fabric swatch you wish to see. To see a larger fabric swatch, go ahead and switch from tiny to large. And then I can use the scroll bar to take a look at the collection in more detail. You can go ahead and close, and you can close your project. After downloading the collection, feel free to use it in a quilt. If you submit a picture of your quilt to the Do You EQ website, there will be 2 opportunities to win a Fat Quarter bundle of this collection. However, you do need to post your submission before January 31, 2021.